it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you a Superdrug haul. So yes, like I say, I have got a Superdrug haul today. There wasn't one last month, I'm sorry, but basically going on holiday and things, I didn't have as much spare cash last month. But I've got some goodies to show you today, so let's go through it. Okay, so I haven't opened the box yet. Okay, right then I will show you what I've got. I picked up a couple of essentials and a couple of bargains as always. And you know, there's Makeup Revolution in here. What else? Okay then, the very first thing that I picked up, well, the first two things that I picked up are these simple, kind to skin eye makeup removers. I really like the simple eye makeup removers. I think it works really, really well, but it's also very gentle. You know, it gets the job done without like, you know, feeling like your eyes are stinging or anything. So I really, really, really like this one. It is my favorite one. I think it looks like they've changed the packaging ever so slightly, maybe just the lid, maybe cut down on some plastic, which is nice. So yeah, I really like these. These were on offer at the moment. These are £1.85 each. So I thought I'd stock up and get two while they were, you know, on an offer price. Okay, so I've just checked and apparently their retail value is £3.79, which I don't think I've ever paid for this. But like I say, they've got a better than half price offer on simple products at the moment. So fantastic. Okay then, next I picked up a couple of items that were on the Star Buys. The Star Buys change every Wednesday, so unfortunately these will not be on the Star Buys by the time that you come to watch this video. However, they're fantastic Star Buys that renew every Wednesday and I highly recommend checking those out. And of course, there's always fantastic offers across various products. The products I'm going to show you, I imagine, will come around again on offer on Superdrug, so keep an eye out. Okay, so I got some new items from Garnier. They have brought out a Moisture Bomb Nighttime Sheet Mask and Eye Mask. At full price then, this would be £3.50 for the eye mask and £3.90 for the sheet mask. However, because they were on the Star Buys, what I ended up paying was £1.75 for the eye mask and £1.95 for the sheet mask. Now, the idea for these, I think, is supposed to like wind you down for bedtime and things, and I just thought they would be a really nice thing to try. And of course, Face Mask Friday, I'm always after new masks. Not that I need them, I've literally got a box full, it's crazy. Okay, so let me see what it says then. Is this mask right for me? Does your skin look tired and feel worn out? Does it need relaxing and boosting? Take 15 minutes before you sleep to unwind and leave your skin feeling soothed and hydrated. So it's saying, how is this face mask different? It's infused with an ultralight moisturising formula enriched with deep sea water and natural origin hyaluronic acid, used before sleeping for a boost of hydration and instantly refreshed skin. So it's saying that on here what it will do to your skin is it will feel intensely hydrated, it will feel soothed, nourished, and then by the morning it should feel refreshed, rested, and the complexion you should have will be radiant. So that just sounded like a really nice thing just to give me a try. You know, something for bed is a little bit different, so yeah, I've got that one. So similarly, the eye mask has probably similar claims. It's saying that you should pop this one in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. And let's see then. So it's used before sleeping. The tissue mask hydrates and refreshes to immediately soothe the eye area. And it's saying within 15 minutes, it should intensely rehydrate the skin. It should soothe the eye area and refresh and relax it. And by morning, your eyes should look fresher, they should look well rested, and the eye contours look more comfortable. So like I said, I just thought that they were a nice new one to give a try while they were on offer. So looking forward to giving them a try. Okay then, next, I think pretty much everything else in the box is from Revolution. If you watch my Superdrug hauls regularly and pretty much any other video on my channel, you'll know that I like Revolution. There was an offer on at the time that I placed my order where if you spent £12, you got a free contour palette, I think it was. It's probably in here somewhere, so I'll let you know. And I also picked up an eyeshadow palette that was on the Star Buys. Okay, so I'll start by showing you the eyeshadow palette because I'm quite excited to actually take a look at it myself because I haven't seen it yet, I haven't opened it. This one was on the Star Buys and it should have been £10, but it was down to £6. It's one of their Halloween palettes. It's the rainbow palette, so it's got lovely bright colours inside. So let's give this open. So now I'm finally into it. It's a beautiful tin with a rainbow and beautiful purple clouds. It's just a really, really pretty palette. This one's made out of tin. A lot of the palettes that I have are actually made out of plastic, so this is new. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and we'll have a look. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my goodness me. How gorgeous are they? Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to give those a try. I think what I will do with this one is I will film a swatching video and I'll swatch each of the colours because they are absolutely stunning. Look at that silver and the purple, the pink, the lime. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're so pretty. Wow. Right, I'm really excited. Definitely look out for a swatching video of this coming soon because I can't wait to get my fingers in there. Yay. For £6, that's not bad, is it, guys? Come on. You know, you pay a heck of a lot more for a lot, well, not with the Revolution necessarily, but they look like amazing colours. I'm super duper excited to try them. So yes, watch out for that video coming soon. Okay then, so next we will move on to the items that I bought to go towards that £12 palette. So let me show you what I got. Okay then, firstly, I picked up some more nail polishes. I really, really like the Revolution nail polish. It's actually the polish I've got on today is one of theirs. And I just wanted to pick up some more colours. I picked up some kind of like fall, autumn colours that I thought would be really great for this time of year. So firstly then, I picked up this gorgeous green colour, which is called Sage, which probably actually describes the colour of the green really quite well. That sage kind of green. It's not like a bright green. It's a nice autumnal shade. And I just thought it would be really, really nice for this time of year. And then of a similar vein, I picked up another one. I got this lovely kind of neutral, warm brown colour, which is called Caramel. Again, that probably describes the shade quite well. And like I say, I just thought it was really, really good for this time of year. And I cannot wait to try them because I really enjoyed using the others that I have from the range. So those cost £3 each, which I think is an absolutely fantastic price because they are actually really decent quality nail polishes. Okay then, the next thing that I picked up was this lovely lip topper. Now this was on, they had like a few Revolution products on sale. I think they called it Great Value on Revolution. And this one was down to £2.80 from £4. I haven't tried any of these lip toppers before, so I'm not entirely sure what to expect. But the one I got, let's see, was in the shade Fortune. It's like a very pale silvery colour, and the idea of these is that they go on top of lipstick. So hopefully this will look really, really pretty. If it doesn't, it didn't cost me a fortune. So I'm really looking forward to trying it. I'm thinking like it's that party season time of the year coming up. So adding a little sparkle to your lips I thought would be really, really nice. And for £2.80, I can't complain. Okay, and the next item that I picked up was also on that Great Value on Revolution section on Superdrug, which I think is actually still up there at the moment. I got this Revolution Redemption Palette Iconic 212 eyeshadow palette, and this cost £2.80 instead of £4 also. So I thought it was a really good bargain. Now I didn't actually buy this with myself in mind. I bought this thinking it looks like a great neutral palette that will go with most skin tones. So I thought it would be fantastic to put aside for a giveaway. Because, you know, I will definitely be having more of those coming on my channel. So look out for that. I'm going to include this. There's some beautiful neutral shades. There's some really nice metallic shades in there. It's a really pretty palette. And like I say, I think there's something in there that will suit most people. And, you know, it's a nice little thing to get. So in a giveaway, guys. Coming soon, possibly. I don't know when I'm going to be doing my next giveaway. I was thinking either 750 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers. Or I might possibly do like a New Year one. So for 2020, I might do a little giveaway. The next thing, guys, was I literally just needed £1 more to spend that £12 to get a free palette. So I just picked something up that was dead cheap. I got one of these. It's a lipstick and it's in the shade Vamp. I think it's a black lipstick. They had a couple on there. I was actually going to originally get a purple one, but it was sold out. And they had like a deep burgundy type one, and that was sold out. So I ended up getting this one, which I think looks like it's possibly black. Couldn't really tell on the thing, and you can't particularly tell here without opening it up. But basically, I just thought for an extra £1, I get a daft little lipstick, and I get the freebie palette. So I will show you that next. This is then the free palette that we got for spending £12 on Selected Revolution, and it is their Contour and Glow palette. Now in there we get a couple of like face powder shades for contouring or maybe just for your face, and we get 2 highlighters. Now they both look absolutely beautiful. I think the top one might be more of a highlight shade, but this one will definitely get some use out of that. It's possibly either a highlight shade for being on holiday, or it might work really, really well on the eyes, which I tend to find for darker highlighters and things work fantastic. So for free, you definitely can't complain. I don't think it actually said anywhere how much this is worth, but it's Revolution. I would probably estimate it about £4 to £6, somewhere like that. So not too bad for a freebie. Probably with it being a face one, we could say about a £5. Let's just say about a £5 of free stuff. Like I say, it didn't say in there, but I think I've got some actually great savings there because, like I said, a couple of things I picked up were on this great value sale on Revolution things, and we got a freebie, so I really can't complain. For £12, I've got an eyeshadow palette, we've got a face palette, we've got some lipstick, we've got a lip topper, and we've got a couple of nail polishes. So I think that's really, really good value. And you know what? You know me, everything Revolution I really, really love. I think it's great quality for a great price. So guys, that was actually everything that I picked up in this month's Superdrug haul. I try to do one every month around payday because Superdrug stock a lot of my favourite products and have a lot of fantastic offers on. I think it's always worth checking them out, especially the Star Buys, which renew every Wednesday. So guys, if you've enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you could remember to subscribe while you're there, because like I say, I've got plenty more videos coming like this. I tend to do a Superdrug haul most months, nearly every month. I think I've only missed one this year. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.